There's a little button down here. I can't see it, but I'm sure it is, isn't it? Press it. Press it. So this is Civic Type R EP3 Teardown stroke list, things to do, project, and that. Okay, before we start, a few people have said that I really need somebody sort of along to help me with the video, so just to sort of loosen myself up a bit. So I've got a friend who's going to be helping me now. His name is Mark Dole. Yeah, so here's Mark. Introduce yourself, Mark, to the channel. What's that? What? What? 1,000 subscribers? Yeah, I get 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, easy, mate, when I see the content and all, you know. And once I got 1,000 subscribers, I'll fucking turbo that Civic and blow it up now, when I for content, you dick. You know, what are you going on about? So Mark has just made it where we really need one of those sort of dry whiteboards. So write down like the list of stuff on it, and just obviously we can just smash it off then as we're going along. I'm going, so I'm going to have to improvise. So got these nice white cupboards here. This is a nice little whiteboard here, isn't it? Perfect. So Mark, do you want to tell them what the process is? What's that, you shy? Right. Number one. Number one is going to be wheels. Refurb on the wheels will be number one. Number two, that's going to be the brake calipers. Number three is going to be the front wing, because that's in a right mess. Complete replacement. Number four is going to be the front seats. Number five is going to be the rear dent. These exclamation marks. Number six. Is there a number six? Oh yeah. Going to be the air filter, stroke engine bay. What's that? Well, I can do any order I want them. I can do any order I want them. It don't have to be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, does it? Don't say a lot, but when he does, Max, what you fucking nerves. Number seven. No. Number seven. Number seven, we'll do a full paint correction. But that sounds professional. With my new polisher. If there's anything else, we'll just add to it. But so that is really the plan for the Civic Type R EP3. So a few of you have probably heard of LBS. It's where you get these things from. It's your local bike shop. So a few of you should be aware of your LCS. Oh, well, a lot of you should know that. Like, comment, subscribe. Who knows it? So that's enough for today. That is the plan where we're going to go now with the EP3. So that's enough from me. And anything to say, Matt? Obviously not. Goodbye.